So you're heading back to school in August, but your friends or family elsewhere in the country don't have to head back until September. Why do back-to-school dates vary so much across the US? The Pew Research Center looked at 13,000 American school districts. Researchers found that generally, schools in the South and Southwest start back in mid-August. Some year-round schools begin in July. And in the Northwest and along the East Coast, you're not heading back till late August or even September in some cases. What? Where is the consistency, people? One of the reasons is based on a state's right to govern itself. State-level government leaders and local school districts determine graduation requirements, how many days in a school year, and other guidelines that can play into how a calendar is set. It was also commonly believed that the agrarian calendar had an impact. In some places, children were needed on the farm during certain times of the season. While there might be some truth to that, there's actually another potential culprit for the discrepancies, and it's a more practical one: AC. Before AC was invented and widely used, temperature control was difficult in schools in the summers, especially in big cities. Even now, it can be costly to cool and heat an entire building during certain times of the year. So maybe you get out of school a little earlier or go back a little later, but it all evens out, allegedly.